Hello everyone, take the front portion of your hair and make it into a braid. Now take remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs with the help of the upper braid. Now roll it as it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and attach a hairband to it. Now take two sections out of your hairs and start braiding it. Now take the remaining hairs and keep the smaller sections from the hairs and start doing the braids with the help of it. Do it very nicely and gently until it will come to the end. Now braid it till the bottom and attach it with the help of a rubber band as it will start looking like this. Do it on the both the sides. Then tie it with the help of a ribbon as it is shown in the video. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and make two sections out of it. Now, with the help of a bun stick, start rolling your hairs till the up and cover it with your hairs. Now, take a rubber band, attach it very nicely and gently, accessorize it, and it's all done. For the next one, make two sections of your hairs and pull it inside out very nicely and gently. Then make two braids out of it. Now, pull inside out the braids as it is shown in the video. Make it into a bow and then tie it all together. For the next one in the video, take the front portion of your hair and tie it with the rubber band and then repeat the process. Now take the remaining hairs, make it into a ponytail and pull out some strings as shown in the video. Then make two sections of the remaining hairs and pull it inside out and then attach it on the top of it with the help of a rubber band and then take the remaining hairs, roll it on the top of it and it is all done. It is looking cute though, right? For the next one, make two sections of your hairs. Now take both sections and then take smaller section and attach it with the help of a rubber band as it is shown in the video. It will start looking like this and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then attach a bow to it. Now with the help of a bow, start braiding your ponytail as it will look like this. Do it all together and very tight till the bottom and then attach it with the help of a rubber band. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it and pull it inside out. Now take another portion of your hair, pull it inside out, then repeat the whole process and it's all done. Thanks for watching.